Hello everyone, I'm Sapiko Shaburishvili, a lawyer with 6 years of experience and human rights expert. Today I want to talk about International Criminal Court and the Rome Statute, which was created in 1998. Based on the unimaginable atrocities that we had in the world decided to create a court, International Criminal Court, to end the impunity of crimes which are genocide, war crimes, crimes of aggression, and crimes against humanity. And I want to tell you that this convention was signed and ratified only from 125 countries, which means that all the other countries in the world somehow agree to make genocide, make war. The countries that signed this agreement, this convention, are Germany, for example, Argentina, Japan, Kenya, Georgia, Ukraine joined later. And countries which signed and did not ratify are Algeria, Angola, Egypt, Iran. And I want to say that Russia and USA were withdrew. These huge countries, which the whole politics in the world are dependent on, they decided that okay, genocide is not a crime and our country should not take responsibility for that. And the politicians who are in our countries we don't want them to take responsibility for these crimes. Peace cannot be reached in these conditions. So everyone, please check your own ratification in your countries. So I would ask you to check and start campaigning. Ask your governments to ratify, to sign and ratify this treaty, because this is the most important. For example, USA. I know that in USA there is huge movement, so much organizations. There is a bit more democratic country, but this major important convention is not signed and is not ratified, and this is really important. I also want to say states, for example, which never signed, which are China, India, Indonesia, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam, for example. Those countries have also potential to make campaigns and sign this agreement, because without this agreement, there will never be peace in the world, and it will always be war. And who's gonna be victim of those wars and who is going to go through these crazy atrocities, we cannot predict. So, my dear friends, please think about it and also share your comments. What do you think? Why your country did not sign or did not ratify? And if your country have potential to do it. Thank you.